Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. Today I'm here with another recipe, Kouglouf, and it is also known as artisan brioche. So let's begin. I'm doing a very small recipe for my family evening tea because I'm making other stuff as well. So just a very small recipe. So you can see the recipe. Let's begin with it. But just about the sultanas or black raisins, I have put them overnight in apple syrup, and that's it. So let's begin with it. First I am going to add yeast. First of all, I'm here using bread flour, okay, not the normal flour. And then I have added sugar here, okay, and I'm just going to give a quick good mix here. And after that I'm going to add eggs here, okay. And since it is a very small recipe, I'm going to use a spatula and my hands. When making bread, I would prefer using my hands to touch the dough ingredients and to feel how it is. I always love to use my hands. So I'm just going to give a good mix with the spatula first. You can see eggs are going to completely mixed in, and I think it is better to use my counter, but let's see. Okay, so just now I'm going to add butter here. And then I will try to mix it with the spatula, and then I will put the dough on my counter because it is better to give stress to the dough, and of course it is easier. I just mixed butter, and you can see I just gave a good mix on the counter, and then I put it back on the bowl. And after that, and I am going to add here the raisins in it, freshly made candied orange. If you want a recipe of candied orange, just let me know. I will do that separately for you guys. Right now I'm just going to give a good mix here with everything, and then I will put the dough for overnight to take all the nice aroma and flavor of the black raisin and the candied orange. So just like that, I'm going to give a good mix here, and after that I will cover it with cling film and put it in the fridge for overnight. That's it. And after 24 hours I can smell a very nice and delicious aroma of candied zest and black raisin. So I'm just going to give another good mix, okay, and then we will put this in the mold. If you want, you can just bake in a bigger mold. I'm using a smaller mold here. First I grease the mold, and then I'm going to add some sliced almond here. You can add another sliced type as well. I like this thinly sliced almond, so I'm using this one. After that I am going to add a piece of dough, approximately 50 grams of dough in each the mold, like this only, roughly. It will take the shape automatically, don't worry about it. Okay, so I'm just roughly going to add the 50 grams of dough everywhere, and it's almost done. Then I will keep the dough 2 hours on the room temperature for more fermentation actually. And this dough is actually smelling so nice. And after 2 hours I am going to bake this on 180 degree for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in the baking, and you can see the beautiful Kouglouf is here. So I am just trying to remove it from the mold. It's so hot, oh my god, and it actually smells divine. You can eat as it is. Some people actually they put them into the sugar syrup, but for me it is perfect as it is. I'm going to share the sugar syrup recipe as well. You can try that way as well, but you can see how beautiful they look. I will just wait for it to cool down a little bit. Okay, and then I am going to dust this with icing sugar and some cinnamon. And because of the candied orange and black raisins, they were already very delicious, and now it is more delicious because I have a sprinkle cinnamon on top. So that's it. I have not requested yet for all of you guys. Just don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. It really helps me to prepare some more recipes. And I'm just going to dish this out for the evening tea actually. And that's it. You can see, you can spend, not too much time in the kitchen, and you can prepare such beauties at home. So you can just enjoy these. And it actually, it's a token of love for your friends and family, that it's everything is handmade and made with so much of cleanliness and love. So that's it for today, and I will take a leave on this note, and I'm going to show you the inside texture as well. You can see how beautifully they look from inside and how delicious they are, that I can tell you. And you can also try the recipe and then let me know that how do you like the recipe. On this note, I will take a leave. Take good care of yourself, and until next video, ciao, bye.